loves, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are talking ZARA Summer Sale. And this year I went a little simple, more neutral pieces. Usually I find some funkier, colorful things, but I kept it a little neutral this year. Didn't get much as I'm trying to really purge. So I got just some basics. So let me share with you what I picked up this summer. First up is this straw hat that I picked up. And I want to believe it was $19.99. I don't remember the original price, and when I picked it up, and it has now gone down since the $19.99, and it's $9.99, and it's still available if you guys want to pick up this cute. See, I still have my scarf on. I love it. So that's the first piece that I picked up from the summer sale. Next are these linen trousers in really neutral color, kind of pair with anything. And I want to believe these stripes are like a black stripe going down. And I had a blazer to go with this, but I didn't want the blazer. I just wanted the pants. I didn't have anything in this neutral tone. It has this one pocket here. And these were $25.99. Next, I needed a white blazer. I have so many colored blazers, and I didn't have a white blazer that I can kind of just add with some of my pieces that I already have. And I picked up this blazer, and I love this lapel here, and it has 3 little buttons here. And this one was $59.99, and I grabbed this when the sale first started because I know how things like this really go fast. So sometimes I know that the prices will go down each week, but I didn't want a chance not being able to get it. So I picked up this blazer. And here I just threw it over, but I love the tailor fit of this jacket. And next I picked up this bodysuit. As you guys can see, it has this lace detailing here, which is really nice and feminine. And this was originally $29.99, and I picked it up for $9.99. And I'm going to take this and pair it with these trousers of mine that I just showed you. So with this little casual look, you can actually take on vacation along with, pair them with these ZARA shoes that I picked up I believe last summer, and I could pair this with the two. And if you don't want your toes out, these actually came from the ZARA sale last year as well, and these are like a leather espadrille, and it has a little elastic back to go around your foot as well. These are cute and comfy. Next, I picked up these denim jeans, and you know I love sharing with you guys how I always shop the men's department for my jeans. And these are a loose crop fit, and they are distressed a little bit, and it has like a cuff bottom. You can cuff it or you don't want to cuff it, and it has this really cool detail with this chain here. And these were $39.99. I'm not sure what the original price was, and I have these in a size 32 and a men's 32, and they're really loose fit, and I like that oversized fit. For one, if we want that mom jean look, but it's also super cool to get the men's size because it's going to give you that feel anyway. So these were my find as well in the ZARA sale. And lastly, guys, I've been on a hunt for a white suit. I didn't have a suit that was kind of like oversized. I had like a structured suit, so I wanted like an oversized feel suit. So I really wanted the pink suit, but of course it kept going out of stock, as well as that mustard suit that had that really nice oversized and the chocolate buttons on it. So I just settled for the white one, which I really wanted anyway. So I went for this oversized jacket, and of course it has the double-breasted buttons as well. And I picked this up in a size medium, and this was originally, I want to say, $159 or $129, not sure. And when the sale started that very first week, it was $79, so it went down to $129. I want to say not sure, it's a $159, and it went down to the $79.99. And as I said before, I didn't want to chance not getting it. You know how Zara can get with their pieces in sale, and they get snatched. They get snatched out of your cart. I've had that done to me before as well. So I went ahead and got this, and I picked up the trousers to go with them as well. And this has a really nice flowy feel to them and really comfortable. So that concludes my summer Zara sale. As I told you, I kept it simple this year. I didn't get a lot of pieces because I wanted to just add some basics to what I already have. So, you know, I can't leave you without showing you a lookbook of all the things that I put together. So, stay tuned and check it out. I hope you all enjoyed this haul as well as the lookbook, and don't forget to find me over on Instagram, where you see a lot of these styles as I'm out shopping, out and about, and I post them on my stories over at Msmeikostyle. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified for new uploads just like this. So until next time, bye lovelies. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.